Hello everyone, let's take a look at how teams work inside Faces. This feature connects business owners and freelancers through shared calendar. Faces Teams is designed to make managing multiple practitioners and locations simple, secure, and compliant. As a business owner, you can build your team right here under Teams tab. To add someone, click Invite Team Member and enter their email address. If the team member already has a Faces account, make sure to send the invite to their registered email address for a smooth connection. Next, select their role, either admin or viewer. Admins are support staff, such as clinic managers or receptionists. Professionals or practitioners who carry out treatments may also handle admin work within the clinic. Admins can view calendar, track appointments, and help manage bookings. Viewers are freelancers who manage their own bookings, send and complete consent forms, and access patient records related to their treatments. Since the invite is accepted and Teams onboarding is completed, that person automatically becomes part of your business. Their access, calendar, and treatments follow your setup, so everything stays consistent across your team. You can update permission or remove team members anytime. Old bookings, payments, and patient records remain securely linked to your business account, ensuring your clinic always retains full control.